How to share the Indeed profile link. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to share the Indeed profile link, you can either do it via the Indeed profile application or the Indeed website. For now, I'll be going on the Indeed website. Just tap on continue. Once logged in your Indeed profile, click on this three lines which is on the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you'll see different options. You have to go onto the option which says profile. Once you tap on profile, you will see different options regarding your profile, and then you have to tap on Indeed resume. Once you click on Indeed resume, scroll down and you will see all the information you have included. Now tap on the three dots right next to it and then click on share a link to my Indeed resume. After that, you have a link to your Indeed profile. Tap on copy link and you can send it to anyone now. Additionally, you can refresh and get a new link as well. For this, tap on update and copy the link again, and if you want to preview it on a new window, tap on the option and you can see it as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.